I was in there for a quick pee. I had to point outside before going to see the Book of Mormons. Fantastic if you have a sense of humour. If you get offended, do not go. So there are boat trips here as well. I think this is new. Doesn't give prices though, but like go to Dunleary City Centre, Dunleary Hout. Oh right, so that's where you're going. Depart arrival. Yeah, so you can see the list there where you're going from to. Again, COVID restrictions could be messing them up. It might take a while to get things back in order as well. Making sure the vessels are safe. So we're going to take a walk over the Samuel Becker Bridge. We're going to take a little look up and down. It's Saturday morning, so it's roughly quite, look, it's kind of busy enough now. I've seen a good bit of construction out there, but it's quiet enough. And got my PCR test on Tuesday, so I'm trying to self-isolate and stay away, so I have my mask on and just avoid people as much as possible, what I normally do. So, oh, and from the GPO, this is probably about a 20-25 minute walk, depending on how fast you walk. You can probably see the forecourts and the spire up that way. And am I on the walkway? Yeah, on the walkway. That's the cycleway. Alright, yeah. Sorry, I have my drone all over the place. So again, we're doing 5-minute videos, spacing them out every 2 days. Now I know I said I was going to be in Thailand only for until the 25th, but the weekend I get back I'm going to be jet lagged. The weekend after I have my cousin's wedding to photo shoot, and then I'll be editing photos after that, so I'm kind of prepping miles in advance. And I haven't even got to Thailand yet, so yeah. To say I think ahead is an understatement. Anyway, so this here would be an old part of the old-timey bridges. Yeah, that's all I got really. Not allowed to climb on it, it's grey. And that's it. So I think we'll take a walk straight up a bit further. And then we'll walk into behind the IFSC. I'm not sure about this, but yeah, we should be fine to cross now. So this is the ending of the Royal Canal. So we have the Grand Canal docks. I've done that walk before. And this is the ending of the Royal Canal. I haven't done this walk yet. Oh, and just so you know, see these bikes? I think as a tourist you can do it. You can sign up with an app. What you do is you scan them out and you just basically rent them from one place to another. But they're not electric, they're people powered. So yeah, you just cycle around the city, because the city centre is mainly flat, you know. Like there'll be a few places where there's hills, like going up to, from here to St. Patrick's Cathedral or Dublin. That'll be uphill, but the majority of the city centre is flat. And there's bike lanes, and one thing I don't get about it's mad, and I see it all over the place. You'll have a bike lane and it's like, okay, you're grand, and then no bike lane, no path, good luck. It's like, what? Where am I supposed to go? So here is the red line notice. Here there would be a stop either side, right and left. I'm sure there's several buses that come down this way. Actually, come to think of it, I don't actually see many buses here. But I'm sure